It's just me and Colin going for a little ride today. I don't know. The conditions are not optimal. It's definitely a bit crusty. It also feels like negative 18 or something today, so it's a bit cold. Oh, ghost ride the whip. Yeah, it's like, feels like negative 18 or something today, so I'd say the snow is very crusty and it's gonna be cold, so we'll might be a short ride, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Oh. You go up over this and then you come out at the bottom of the drift. Okay. I haven't been up in a few years, so I'll try it like this. No, I haven't been up here in a few years, might get interesting. Not sure on where I want to be. I think I gotta go more that way. That looks like a creek. Oh yeah, I'm way off. I'm a bit off. We're supposed to be on up there. But if we can pick down through here, Burden's Land Trail is just right there. Even close. We're supposed to be on up to the top of that pretty much. Yeah, that was not where I wanted to go. No. But do we want to run up and check it out, or? I don't know. Might as well. Huh? But we're this close. Yeah. Well, the snow's actually not terrible. Definitely could be worse. But also could be better. I was hoping to go down through there somewhere and meet up with the trail, but doesn't look like a lot of snow. A lot of trees. Man.
Is this normally it?
This is it, yeah. Either we got no snow this year or we lost a lot.
I'd say it's a bit of both.
Because usually you can't see the trees on this hill.
When was the last time you were in here?
Uh,
'Cause I was in here like 2 years ago and these trees weren't this big and I was moose hunting.
yeah, I was probably in there 2 years ago. thick. This was not at all part of the plan today, but I got too curious and decided to try to go up to that spot up there, but snow is not good for it. So now we're gonna try to save some time. Come down here out onto that trail over there. I don't know, I might just hit a little baby one here first. Oh, that was not bad at all. Not where I wanted to land. I socked myself so hard on the seat. God, that hurt. Yeah, a bit of a washout there. Although you can't even really see the dip on the phone, but
No?
no. There is a dip there though.
Camera
Right down
dip.
through there.
No.
I feel like you can get out of that by
Probably.
just stay on that side and something. Now don't get stuck.
I think I'm stuck.
Nah. Oh. Yeah, yeah, let her eat. Don't let up. You definitely made that a lot harder than it had to be.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. When it jumped off, then there was a little tree like right where I jumped off.
Yeah.
The tree went up in between my back and my book bag and hooked my book bag. I was like, what is going on? Well, it's 5:30 now, so I guess we're gonna start heading back.